Hello folks. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, all accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. Now you can use this document to increase your sales using PLR and using this product, for example. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic in order to make money online. So you can grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman. Now when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can purchase that gig on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer. Consequently, you become the middleman because you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it's not any ordinary income, it's recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. That's 15 minutes a day. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, all of these bonuses are free, so grab them while you can. Now let's get on with our review. The vendor of this product are profit experts, and they have a huge following and always produce content solutions for busy internet marketers. They have over 25,000 sales to their credit, and this product should sell like hotcakes as well. In a nutshell, Authority Marketing Academy, it provides 60 done-for-you short, value-oriented, re-brandable videos with a complete, ready-to-go training center that will sell to your list like a ninja, so they say. Now here are some things that you should know about this product. You can coach your audience about membership marketing, branding, and blogging using the power of short video, vertical videos. Now, all videos are done for you, so you don't need to pay out thousands for creating the product. You don't have to hire branding experts. You don't have to work hard because they're all done for you. And you have private label rights, which means that you can market them and brand them any way you want. Now, what are you getting with this product? Well, you're getting 60 done-for-you short videos, 60 editable presentation slides. You're getting 6 sets of pro voiceovers, 60 turnkey video pre-sale pages, 3 training academies, and 3 lead capture systems, and more. So now that's 60 done-for-you short videos, 60 edible presentation slides, 60 sets of pro voiceovers that include the membership marketing area, branding marketing, and blogging. So those are 3 huge opportunities for you. Now here's a sample of a short video. Now, this is sample. It's just one sample. They have numerous samples in each of the areas of that this product includes. So in each of the areas of marketing, branding, and blogging. They have a number of samples that they will show you on the sales page. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. It's $13.37 as of today. It may go up, but it's $13.37 as of today. There are 5 upsells ranging from $29.95 to $97 and more. So the upsells continue to increase as you go up the scale. Now, you will need to act quickly because this offer will be removed after the 5-day launch period that runs until Sunday, the 21st of January. After that, prices will increase. Now, watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might get less product. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story on Authority Marketing Academy that talks about membership marketing, blogging, and brand marketing. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You won't be sorry you did. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And don't forget, you also will learn how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product such as this one. Now, bye for now. See you next time, folks.